The first channel on the list is Ahmed Aldoori. Ahmed Aldoori, in my opinion, is one of the most underrated art teachers on YouTube. I have been watching Ahmed Aldoori for a very long time now, and I can tell you that his channel is a goldmine for any aspiring digital artist. His YouTube channel has a lot of videos on a lot of different topics, ranging from instructional videos, sketching videos, and his personal insight into the art industry. He also shares videos where he showcases his own way of painting from start to finish in real time, which gives a really good insight on how a professional artist creates his paintings. Every single one of his videos, even the ones where he is just sketching, has something to learn from it. Ahmed is not very active on YouTube for now, and I hope he returns someday, but I would definitely suggest that you check out his YouTube channel. The next channel on the list is Ross Draws. Ross Tran, also known as the Ross Draws on social media, is a very popular artist with millions of followers worldwide. He has a vibrant and colorful anime-inspired art style and also a really vibrant personality. His videos are a mix of entertainment and knowledge, and the way he presents everything in his videos makes it really fun to watch. His channel has a lot of educational videos, and he has a masterclass series where he explains how he creates portraits, environments, character designs, and illustrations. Ross also is unfortunately not very active on his YouTube anymore, but I would 100% recommend that you subscribe to his channel. The next channel on this list is Proko. If you are an artist and haven't heard of Proko, then I have no idea what you are doing. Proko, in my opinion, is the best art channel on YouTube. The amount of videos, really good videos on several topics that Proko has published is just insane to me. No other channel on YouTube has ever come close to that. And Proko's channel is for everyone. Doesn't matter what medium or genre of art you like, Proko has everything. His videos range from figure drawing, comic art, illustration, sculpture, and so much more. My personal favorite is definitely his anatomy series. I don't even remember how many times I have watched those videos. So yeah, if you really want to improve your art, you should definitely subscribe to Proko. Let's move on to the next one, which is Marco Bucci. Marco Bucci is another really great artist and an equally great art teacher. His channel focuses heavily on light and color theory, and compositions. The thing that I like so much about Marco Bucci is his ability to explain art concepts in so much detail, and everything he says are so easy to understand. Doesn't matter what the level of your art is or what medium you like to paint in, digital or traditional, his videos will be very helpful for you, so you should definitely check out his channel. The fifth channel on this list is Marc Brunet. Marc Brunet is another YouTube channel that I watch almost regularly. Marc is an ex-Blizzard employee that left his job to do his own thing and teach people the way of the art industry. His videos are very informative and also fun to watch. He has numerous videos to help you get better at art. His videos are very insightful and most of them are targeted towards beginners, so they should be pretty easy to understand. And good thing is he posts a video every week, so you shouldn't run out of videos to watch. So go and subscribe to Marc and maybe subscribe to my channel too. Thanks. Now let's move on to the next channel, which is Sinix Design. Sinix Design is a YouTube channel by an artist named Sinix. His videos leans mostly towards the design aspect of art. He has lots of videos where he explains different concepts of design, like design theory and shape design. His most popular series, which is called Anatomy Quick Tips, has to be my favorites of his videos. In these videos, he picks up a part of the human body and explains in details his thought process about rendering and designing them. And just so you know, I have provided a link of every art channel in the description. The next channel on the list is Becker. Becker is a professional animator working in the animation industry. His style of video making is different than most. He presents himself as an angry artist that wants to teach you something but you don't listen. Now, he is an animator, but his channel isn't just meant for other animators. Everyone can gain something from his videos. Like, he has some videos where he deconstructs the art style of other professional artists and shows you how you can study them. And after working for so many years in the animation industry, he has some solid real-life advice about how you can make it to the industry. Unfortunately, he is also currently not active. Now let's move on to the next channel, which is FZDschool. FZDschool is a YouTube channel run by a professional concept artist known as Feng Zhu. The whole channel is dedicated to those who wish to learn concept art and make it to the industry. The whole YouTube channel is like a school that covers every topic related to concept art. The video topics can range from concept art to portfolio making to storyboarding and much more. And the videos aren't just some 10 or 20-minute videos. These are hour-long videos explaining everything in detail. So if concept art is your thing, this channel is for you. The 9th channel on the list is BAM Animation. BAM Animation is a channel run by 2 professional animators working in the animation industry. The channel contains many insightful videos on different topics like character design, background painting, perspective, and much more. The channel is definitely catered towards animators, but I would say that everyone can learn something from these videos. The last channel on this list is Love Life Drawing. This is an art channel focused solely on the art of figure drawing. The channel covers topics on fundamentals of figure drawing like gesture, simplifying the form of the human body, values, and much more. And figure drawing is an essential part of getting good at drawing people. So you should definitely check out this channel. So these were the 10 channels that I personally think are some of the best on YouTube. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.